Hey guys, at the Pencoed station of crossing the Bridgend, train fan number 123. Time now is 15:56 on Saturday the 3rd of November 2018. This is for the solid delay is 15:55, 1 Victor 42, transport for rail service from Manchester Piccadilly to Milford Haven, and the slightly delayed 15:57 and a half, 2 Bravo 60, transport for rail service from Swansea to Abergavenny. We must be double staying because they're both due. Is might come in the same minute of the video. Look at these barrier lights as well. They shine bright in my eyes. By the way guys, I am making this video a premiere. Which is kind of the same thing of a live stream, but different. So that's the live chat. Where you can comment while the premiere is going. Where is this train at? Here's something. Here she is. Normal livery. 2 car. What the fuck number 6? I don't have double 6 to Milford Haven and we're staying. There's a store guide for you. John's train videos. That's just the dude of the train that just went. Here she is. Also 150 to Abergavenny this time.
Yeah.
Yeah. Got up to 208. Up to 208 to Abergavenny and up they go. Thanks guys, see you in the next video.